In today's video, we will be reviewing the Reebok's jacket, also called the zip front bomber jacket, with side slip pockets. Now what we have here is a medium size jacket. The company describes it as a regular fit, but to be honest, I felt that the product runs a size larger. So if you buy a large size jacket, this medium size jacket will fit you perfectly. Also, this product is 100% polyester, so very lightweight, easily foldable, doesn't take much space. Zip quality was very smooth, also the stitching quality was perfect. It is perfect for winters when you are wearing lots of clothes inside. At the end of the video, I will wear it to see how it looks like. Mind you, it is slightly bigger than the typical medium size jackets.